Alright, here we've got another bikini. This one is a bikini push-up padded, supposedly. But let's see what we've got. It looks like it's got a whole bunch of straps, so that's going to be a mess of complication to try to get on, I think. Let's take a look at the top first. Now keep in mind this says it's padded, and as I feel it, it only feels like it's basically a 2-ply. No padding whatsoever right there. But it does look nice. These little jewel things here. Right up here at the top we've got our neck piece. And on the back, so how do you put this thing on? Okay, now here we go. This is where our neck piece is. Not adjustable. And then this is the back strap where it is adjustable. This is a size small. Putting it this way makes it a little more sense because then that gem hangs down. Alright, so there we go. Kind of worried about this because this probably needs to be adjustable in some form or fashion. So we might have to figure out a custom solution for that. Probably, once we figure out where it needs to be, pop these little things off, tighten it up where it needs to be, cut off the extras, and then we'll be good to go. As for the bottoms, well, I have no idea how these go on. It looks like, again, it's just 2-ply. There's no real padding anywhere in here. And these are size small, of course. You'd expect some kind of a pad right here. No pad, just a seam right down the middle. We'll have to ask my wife if that is comfortable or not. And as far as the straps, they look less complicated whenever you get them out and actually unwind them. So, but here we go. Here's the whole thing. It's got this little deep cut right here. You take the straps around the side, tie them, and then there's supposed to be a whole mess of straps and bow and everything over there. So you guys want to see it facing the other way. You can see how deep it goes down in the front, and then how skinny it is in the back. So there we go. But again, it's just 2-ply. It's not even sewn together really that thick. So there's no pad whatsoever there. The tag is kind of awkward, sticking straight up, so that's going to have to be cut off. Definitely going to need to fix that. So just two basic things that kind of need to be fixed, being a non-adjustable neck piece, and then this tag sticking up and being all goofy. In addition to that, not having any type of a, what do they call it, like a hygienic pad or something like that. That's kind of disturbing. And then the fact that there is no pad, even though it's said to be a padded push-up bikini, that's just definitely not the case. So there you go. Any questions, comments, though, make sure to ask. We'll get to them as soon as we can. Hopefully have a better review written up for you by the time you see the video. Thanks.